Okay, hello, I'm Kritika Srikrishnan. I'm a matric 13 DDT 19F10220 and my teammates Nuriyati Binti Ediputra and also Nurshazwani Binti Hamarazi. Okay, so today I'm going to explain about the context diagram. Okay, so the context diagram is the top level of DFD is called context diagram. And context diagram is also known as environment model. It shows the system at an overview level. It defines the scope and boundary for the system and the project. So this is a very important step in the concept of modeling because it specifies whether the system which is under study interacts with other systems outside the model or not. Okay, then data flows define the interaction of your system with the boundaries and with external data sources. So to construct a context diagram, so we need to by drawing the process symbol to represent the whole system, and also name the process using the system name. This is the symbol identification is known as process 0. So this is the process symbol, so which is we name it as online learning system, and also this 0 symbol is identification is known as process 0. Okay, then place the external entity involved nearby the process 0. So the external entity, we got 3, so which is student, lecturer, and admin. Okay, then use the data flow to define interaction between process 0 and external entities defined. So this is the data flow. Okay, so first of all, let's see for the students. Okay, so students will log in the system, and once they log in, they can ask the question that they did not know. Okay, so once they ask questions, so then they will get the answer from other students or lecturers from the system. So once they get the answer, then also the student can view other students' question and verify answers as well. So once they can get and they view, so they can vote for other students' valid answer to get verified. So students can answer other students' questions, so we can vote for the student valid answer to get the verified. And lastly, the student will get rewards and points. Okay, then lecturer. So once lecturer log in the system, the lecturer will get they can grade the student question as well, and also they can update or explain the questions, which means they can answer the students' questions. So once they answer the students' question, the lecturer also will get reward and points from the system. And for the third entity, external entities, which is admin. So once the admin log in the system, the admin can view and can verify the answers from the lecturers or students as well. So once the admin verify the answers, the admin will get a report from the system, and also the admin can control data input as well. So this is the overview of the online learning system. So we also have the data flow diagram, which is DFD. So it's my teammates will explain. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I am Nuriyati Binti Ediputra with number matrix 13 DDT 19F1071. And now I will explain about our system data flow diagram. Okay, so we have 3 external entities. We have act, process, and we have 7 data store. So I will start with student. So first, student have to log in, which is will get the student information, and later the student data will be stored in student record. And after that, in the system report, we'll have the rewards and point record for every student, and then the report will be displayed to the admin. Next, student can ask any IT questions, and later the question data will be stored in question records. Next, student can answer for any available questions, and later the answer data will be stored in answer record. Student also can vote for the right answer in every answer, and the voting data will be stored in voting records. Last, student will get points and rewards for every question and answer they do. And all the rewards and point data will be stored in rewards and point records.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Nurshazwani Binti Amarazi, matric number F1064, and now I'll be explaining for the second entity, which is lecturer. Okay, first, lecturers have to log in, and when lecturer logs in, there will be lectures data. So lectures data will be compiled in lectures record, and lectures record will be sent to the system report, and report will display to the admin. Okay, next, for the second one, lecturer can answer questions, and every questions that lecturer answers, which is the answers data, will be compiled in answers record. Okay, for the third one, lecturer can vote for the best answer, which is vote the right answer. So the voted answers will be compiled in the voting records, and voting records will be sent to the system report, and report will display to the admin. Okay, for the last one, lecturer can get points for every question and answer, which means when lecturer is very active using this system, they can get rewards and points. So the rewards and points data will be compiled in the records. Okay, for the last entity, which is admin, admin can verify the most voted answer, and the voted answer will be compiled in the verifying records. And lastly, for the admin will have access to the system report. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.